What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Al here, and in today's video I'm going to be answering the question, how much is a new battery for a Toyota Yaris Hybrid? We'll explore everything you need to know about hybrid battery replacement costs, when you might need to replace the battery, and whether there are more affordable alternatives to consider. In terms of what type of battery the Toyota Yaris Hybrid uses, it's typically either a lithium ion or nickel metal hydride battery. Lithium ion batteries are more commonly found in newer hybrid models because they are lighter, more energy efficient, and have a longer lifespan. Nickel metal hydride batteries, on the other hand, are an older technology but still reliable and durable. Understanding the type of battery in your Yaris is important because it can affect both the price of replacement and the overall lifespan. Most hybrid batteries are designed to last for many years, often up to 100,000 miles or more, depending on driving habits and maintenance. There are several factors that can influence the cost of replacing a hybrid battery. Knowing these can help you make an informed decision when it's time to replace yours. Firstly, the battery type and the brand. As mentioned, lithium ion batteries tend to be more expensive than nickel metal hydride, so the brand of the battery can also affect the price, as some aftermarket options may be cheaper than Toyota's original parts. It's also important to note where you buy the battery, because whether you purchase the battery directly from Toyota or a third-party retailer can have a significant impact on the cost. It's a little bit like getting your iPhone screen replaced Apple versus, the local phone repair shop down the road. So if you're in the market for a new or used car, it's really important to understand your options. Another thing to look out for is warranty and replacement packages. Some replacement batteries come with extensive warranties, which can provide peace of mind, but may also increase the overall cost. Always check what's included in price when comparing options. The last thing to factor in is the labor costs. Replacing a hybrid battery isn't like changing the battery in a traditional petrol car. It's a complex job requiring specialized skills. Labor costs can vary significantly depending on where you have the work done. Dealership prices tend to be higher, while independent garages may offer lower rates. So how much does a new battery for a Toyota Yaris Hybrid actually cost? On average, you can expect to pay between about £1,000 and £3,000 for a new battery, depending on the factors mentioned previously. At the higher end, if you go to a Toyota dealership and opt for an original lithium-ion battery, you're likely looking at a bill closer to £3,000. If you're replacing an older nickel metal hydride battery, you might find options at lower end of the spectrum, particularly if you explore independent retailers or refurbished batteries. So how do you know when you need a new battery for your Toyota Yaris Hybrid? Well, hybrid batteries are designed to last for many years, but like all parts, they eventually wear out. Here are some signs that you might need to replace your Toyota Yaris Hybrid's battery. Decreased fuel efficiency. If you've noticed that your car isn't as fuel efficient as it used to be, this could be a sign that the battery is no longer holding a charge as effectively. Warning lights on the dashboard. Hybrid vehicles have systems in place to monitor battery health. If you see warning lights on your dashboard, it's worth getting your battery checked by a professional. Diminished performance. Is your Yaris Hybrid struggling to switch between the electric motor and petrol engine? This could indicate a problem with the battery. Increased engine noise. A noisy engine that seems to be working harder than usual can also be a sign that your hybrid battery is on its last legs. Are there any cheaper alternatives to replacing a Toyota Yaris hybrid battery? Replacing a hybrid battery can be an expensive job, but there are some alternatives that might save you some money. Firstly, there's reconditioned or refurbished batteries. If a brand new battery is out of your budget, you might want to consider a reconditioned or a refurbished one. These are used batteries that have been repaired and restored to good working order. They can be significantly cheaper than new batteries, but they may not last as long. Secondly, battery repair. In some cases, you may not need to replace the entire battery if only one or two cells are faulty. It may be possible to replace the battery, which can be a more affordable option. Thirdly, extended warranties. If your Yaris Hybrid is still under warranty, the cost of battery replacement may be covered. Toyota offers hybrid battery warranties that last for up to 15 years, so it's worth checking your coverage before paying out of pocket. Can you extend the life of your Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery? Yes, you can, and there are several steps you can take. You want to be regularly maintaining your car, keeping up with your car's maintenance, routine inspections of the hybrid battery itself. You want to avoid extreme temperatures because batteries don't like extreme heat or cold. So where it's possible, try to park your car in a shaded or sheltered area to protect the battery. And finally, just drive smart. Hybrid batteries recharge through regenerative braking. So driving in a way that makes the most of this feature, for example, by avoiding hard braking, can help extend the battery's life. Should you replace your Toyota Yaris hybrid battery at a dealership or independent garage? Well, both have their pros and cons. For a dealership, the main advantage is going to a dealership that you'll be getting an official Toyota part and a warranty, but this comes at a higher cost. You're likely to pay more for both the battery and the labor. If you go to an independent garage, then you'll find the rates are more affordable, but it's important to ensure that they have experience working with hybrid vehicles. So ask for recommendations and read reviews to find a trusted mechanic. Is it worth replacing the battery on an older Toyota Yaris Hybrid? If your Yaris Hybrid is several years old, you might be wondering whether it's worth replacing the battery battery at all. Two factors to consider are the car's value and your long-term plans. Firstly, how much is your car worth? If the value of your Yaris is less than the cost of a battery replacement, you may want to think about whether it's worth the investment. In terms of your long-term plans, are you planning to keep your car for several more years? If so, replacing the battery might be a smart investment. However, if you're thinking about upgrading to a newer vehicle, it may be better to just sell or trade in your Yaris as it is. In summary, replacing the battery in your Toyota Yaris Hybrid can be a significant expense, but with the right information, you can make an informed decision. Whether you choose a brand new battery from a dealership, a refurbished option, or even a repair, it's important to consider all the factors that affect cost and performance. Keep an eye on the signs of battery wear and tear, and take steps to maintain your battery's health to get the most out of your hybrid vehicle. So, are you looking to get a brand new used car? Contact us today. Go to carnights.co.uk. It's in the link in the description below, and we can help you because we have over 200 cars that are available to purchase right now. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below how much it costs you to replace your Toyota Yaris Hybrid battery, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.